Hi, dear students, how are you? I hope you're fine. Now we're going to have a new lesson. It's called Writing Fractions as Decimals lesson. Okay? Okay, to change a fraction, okay, let's focus. To change a fraction to an equivalent decimal, the numerator by the denominator, okay, divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, let's see now we are having what? We are having two kinds of decimals, terminating decimal and repeating decimal. So we are having terminating decimal that ends with 0 and 0 and repeating decimal that never ends. Okay, the repeating, we put here this sign for the repeating as this one, and that terminating without any sign. So here, if he gives me this example, he gives me 2 and 2/5, write it as decimal. He asks me to write it as a decimal. So I'm having here 2 plus 2/5. It's like I say 1 apple and a half. So I'm having 1 apple plus half another apple. Okay, this is for explanation. So I have here 2 and 2/5. This is what? Divided sign or division sign. So 2 divided what? Divided 5. Miss, it's here less than the divisor. Here the dividend is less than the divisor, so that I'm going to have decimal. So 2 divided by 5, it can't be, so I put 0 point. Okay, so 0 and then 2 divided 5, we don't have something like this, so I'm getting here some help from the 0. 20 divided 5, it's 4. 4 times 5, 20, and this is the terminating decimal, and it's very easy. What about if you have a repeating decimal? Like if you have here 2 divided 3, 2 over 3. So 2 divided 3, it can't be, so I'm going to put the 0. Then I have helper here, so put the decimal point. 20 divided 3, the nearest thing is 18 divided 3, which is 6. 6 times 3, 18. Okay, the subtraction 2, so it can't be. We add 0. We don't add here any other decimal places. So we have 20 divided 3 equal, yeah, also 6 times 3, 18, and so on, so on. So we write 0 0.6, and we have here this dash that tells me that's a repeating decimal, right? You can hear you, excellent. Okay, and it's easy, yeah. So let's go to the practice part here. Practice each fraction as decimal. Okay, use a bar to show the repeating decimal. So we have here negative 3 over 4. It means that we have negative 3 divided 4. So 3 divided 4 can't be. We put 0. And we add here the 0. 30 divided 4. The nearest thing is what? 6 times 4 equal 24. Okay, and 7 times 4 equal 28. So we can say 7 and put here the 8. 28. So gives me, yeah, 2. Then it 22 divided 4 can be, no, it can't be, so we add 0. We don't add here, we didn't add here any other decimal places, yeah, no decimal point, just one decimal point. 20 divided 4, it's 5. 5 times 4, 20. So we have end answer 0 and 0. This is called terminating, right? Okay, let's complete. And remember to put the negative. Remember to put the negative. So after that, we have another example. Okay, this one I have for 16 over 20. So I want you to convert this from mixed to improper, first of all, and then solve it very easy. Okay, 20 times 4, 2 times 4, 80. Yeah, 80. 80 plus 16, 80 plus 16, that's 96 all over 20. So after that, we have to simplify them. Divided by, yeah, divided by 2. Okay, and then you'll get the answer in the end. It will be here 4.8. It will be after dividing them 4.8. Okay, divide both sides. After that, we have here another example. Okay, it's the word problem. Before going to the word problem, I have here the comparison, and it's also important. If I have here 7 eighth and I have here 5 ninth, can we compare them? Okay, like this, yeah, but by doing what? Cross multiplication. Remember, I told you this before. We have here 7 eighth, okay, 7 eighth, and I have 5 ninth. If you make here cross multiplication, 9 times 7 gives me 63, 8 times 5 here 40, so which is greater the 63, so I will go for it. Okay, and I can do it by the LCM to get the LCM of 8 and 9 and do it like it. Okay, okay, so here I have here what? Okay, guys, in this example too, this one we have mixed. The best way is to convert the mixed into improper. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 over 5 and with negative sign. Here this one, 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 over 4. Then what should I do? I have here 4 and 5. The LCM 20 and 20. Okay, so here I have 20 and 20. Here I have what times here? I can do it like this. Here I have 4 times here, 4 times 12. In this side, 4 times 12. And in the other side, 9 times 5. 9 times 5. So this is 45. Okay, and I have here 48. So 48 and 45 all over 2020. Okay, then simplify. And I can do it like this. Yes, 48 is greater. 48 is greater. Okay, but remember, if it's greater when you have what? When you have positive sign. But now I have negative sign. Yeah, bravo. So negative sign, it will be what, guys? The opposite. Here I have, remember, I will write it here, very important, negative 48 or negative 45, which is here, take the greater sign. Okay, guys, I lost here $48. Here I lost $45. Where is the greater loss? Greater loss. Here, negative 48 is greater, or here, negative 45, negative 45. Why? Because the greater loss is 48. So it's better for me to lose negative 48 or to lose negative 45. Better to me, greater for me to lose here 45. So remember, the negative is opposite to the positive. If you have here, this is very important. If you have 48 and 45, of course 48 is greater. But if you have 48 and negative 45, so here the opposite will be like this. This is number 10. Okay, okay, here I have an airplane flies at 600 miles per hour. So 600 here, 600 per, yeah, per hour, per 1 hour. Okay, at some point in its landing, it drops to 2/9 of the speed. 2/9 of the speed. Okay, so write the fraction as a decimal. 2/9 as a speed. Can you see this? He wants me to write this. Okay, to write this fraction as a decimal. So I'm going to, okay, 2 to 9. It means 2 divided 9. 2 divided 9 gives me, what do you think here? No, it can't be. Okay, and we have 20 divided 9. The nearest thing is, yeah, 2 times 8. 2 times 9, 18. So I'm going to have 2. I can do it like this. I will add 20 and then 2. 2 times 9, also 18. So it will be repeating. It will be repeating. Right, repeating. 0.2 repeating. As you see here, 0.2, the answer will be D. Okay, dear students, by that we've covered the lesson. Okay, I'm going to complete here a lesson, rational numbers, the other lesson. Okay, it's very easy. Let's start our lesson now. Okay, as you see here, I have the set of whole numbers. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the whole numbers. I have given you this quarter one. Okay, and let's start here the example. If I have here, okay, if I have here 0.23 and it's repeated as a fraction in the simplest form, he asks me to express or to say this decimal, okay, as a fraction in the simplest form. Let's see.